In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Crosshair in Hello Neighbor Pre-Alpha. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are trying to play Hello Neighbor on PC and for whatever reason the crosshair is misaligned, it isn't positioned correctly, or it's going all over the place, you just have to follow the steps that I'm gonna give you in this video and you will be able to get it fixed. This seems like there was a problem with older versions of the game, and regardless, even if you are experiencing it now, you will still be able to follow these same steps to fix the issue. So, once you download Hello Neighbor through Steam or any other means, open it up and see if it works. If the crosshair is misaligned, then what you have to do is download Borderless Gaming. As you can see, Borderless Gaming is a tool available on Steam. Seamless play games in borderless full screen mode for uninterrupted gaming and effortless multitasking. So all this is going to do is fix the crosshair. As you can see, it is a very easy to use tool. You just have to choose Hello Neighbor and then choose the option to use it within this application. It is paid, so keep that in mind. Even though you used to be able to find it on places such as GitHub, it seems like now you have to purchase it through Steam. So as you can see, it is available, and once you do run this tool, Hello Neighbor is going to be fixed. So all that you have to do is acquire Borderless Gaming on Steam and then open it up. When you open the tool, choose the option to use Borderless Gaming with Hello Neighbor, and it is going to be properly fixed. So once again, all that you have to do, regardless of the version, is to open Borderless Gaming and make sure that it is on the background. If it is running on the background of your PC while you play Hello Neighbor, the crosshair is going to be fixed. Like I said, it was a problem with older versions of the game related to resolution and how the game rendered everything, but by using a tool such as this one, it is going to properly position the crosshair for you, so it is going to work regardless of your resolution size and placement. So download Borderless Gaming to fix this issue with Hello Neighbor. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Crosshair in Hello Neighbor Pre-Alpha. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.